So last week we pulled the 1960 Impala out of here and started working on that. That means I've got a little bit of extra indoor storage here. So today I want to start by moving the Citroen Traction Avant inside, and it can sit beside his other Citroen buddy here. And then we have a little bit of a surprise in store because that leaves me an extra spot on the parking lot out front there. So let's get started moving some cars here, right? Surprises?
No.
It's almost done, I swear. What do you think, man? Fun, hey? Okay. Okay, so now that we have a spot freed up in the parking lot there, somebody has an idea. What's your plan there, Bun?
Well, there isn't a lot needed for this. Like, there's a lot needed for this, but like, as far as junkers go in here, it's pretty freaking good. So I was thinking maybe I could have a hand at trying to do it up.
Yeah. Well, I liked it. It is, the thing is, it was going to be a parts car, but most of the brakes and stuff are not interchangeable with the Super Riviera hardtop, and it is a pretty solid car with most of the work done and a whole lot of money already spent on it, so it almost seems a shame to not see if we can take it the extra mile. Bun wants to double check the Dynaflow, because I think that was the reason it got parked. You know, it needs some work, but it's not a heap by any means, and it's a pretty rare and interesting car. It's a 1950 Buick Roadmaster, fresh rebuilt straight 8. I think it's 322 cubic inch, and yeah, got this from our friend Chris a few years ago, and Chris had decided to go with something a little more British, and so we were the beneficiaries of that, and this Buick has found a home here, and it's been sitting here, and I don't really know what to do with it, so Bun said, why don't I play with it? And she's already got a driver, so why not have one to play with? So we're going to yank this out, we're going to put it where the traction avant was, and she's going to have a go playing with it. I don't think it'll need, well, I mean, it obviously needs some work, but let's we'll get it up there and we'll have a look at it. Franker's just likes using it for shade. What a lucky dog. Found some nice shade there today. What a good girl. There we are. 1950 Buick Roadmaster. And it's going to go where the traction avant was. So we'll clean up its spot here. Maybe a little weed whipper action, hey? Make it easier to get in there.
Yeah, we'll have to check.
Lots of fun. There's the Dynaflow. Bun says the brakes are working, so that's good. Chris did most of the floors before we got the car, so that's all done. Got some rocker panels to do. Hey, fingers. Cobwebs on your face, buddy. I don't care, eh? How cool is that? So, yeah, I think we'll make a nice car out of it. Or Bun will anyway. There's most of the missing pieces. So obviously a lot to do. This is going to go back on the road, but it's actually a pretty good start. So thanks again to Chris for finding it a home here, and we're really looking forward to putting this old guy together. Actually a very cool body style. We only made for a couple of years. We made 2 different 4-door sedans, and you wouldn't see that today, but this one has the unique back window. Our buddy Randall might want to take note of the 4 vents in the hood, hey? So a few pieces to find, lots of work to do, but should be a fun car. Okay, there we have it. Don't have time to fire it up today, but we will next time. But that is a freshly rebuilt engine and was running very well last time I fired it, so no reason to believe it won't now. And good start. You gonna have fun there, Bun?
Yeah, it's sure nice.
Yeah, it'll be cool. So here's the worst part of it. Whoever took this car apart cut the wires. They just hacked the whole harness. And I think we'll find the harnesses in the back of the car. So you just have to take it apart one wire at a time, figure out. The trouble is the colors are pretty fadey, so it'll be a bit of a job. And yeah, that and a few other things, eh? But we'll get it running, then you can drive it around a bit, and then we'll finish it up. What a cool car. Okay guys, thanks for checking out the video today. We'll see everybody on Saturday for more of the regular contributor.
Same old shit.